What are timestamps anyway? In short, they are clickable links in a video's description or comments that takes you straight to specific points in the video. They look like this or like this. As you can see, showing the hours position in the time is optional if the video is under 1 hour long. The exact format is minutes, minutes, seconds, seconds, or hours, minutes, minutes, seconds, seconds, or even hours, hours, minutes, minutes, seconds, seconds. For crazy long-form content, Lex Fridman, I'm looking at you. Any numbers formatted like this will automatically be interpreted by YouTube as timestamps for the video in question. Who cares? Well, first and foremost, viewers care. Especially for longer videos, people want to get to the point. No need to watch a 30-minute video when you just need to see the part that affects your current task, project, or interest. Timestamps are great for studying or for skipping intros or just to see what topics the video covers before you watch. They also make it easier for viewers to share their favorite moments. In fact, thanks to YouTube's powerful URL parameters, viewers can turn any point in a video into a timestamp when creating a link for sharing. YouTube has this automatically built into their interface. But you can also copy an existing timestamp to share as well from the description or the comments. You'll often find viewers who comment under videos use a single timestamp to indicate the point in the video that provides the content for their commentary. But creators benefit from timestamps too. Video creators can benefit from timestamps thanks to the reduced abandonment rates, meaning people who are bored with the video content can just jump to the point they're interested in instead of navigating away entirely. It could result in a higher watch time overall, even if viewers don't watch every second of a video. It's a great way for creators to show viewers that they really care about the viewing experience, especially for long-form content. Timestamps applied as chapters can even appear in Google search results, giving them even more reach to growing YouTube channels. And of course, YouTube likes timestamps because viewers stay longer on the platform when they can find what they need. They are a key accessibility tool for all users, including those with disabilities. So who makes timestamps? Most often, it's the video creators themselves that add timestamps to organize their content. YouTube itself can automatically generate primitive chapter timestamps using AI. Video creators who want their timestamps applied as chapters need to remember these key points. The first timestamp must start at 0 minutes and 0 seconds to work. The minimum number of chapters is 3. Each chapter must be at least 10 seconds long, and each timestamp must be on a separate line. Besides creators, viewers themselves can contribute timestamps in the comments to help others navigate. This is a common popular contribution made by viewers who love engaging within a given channel's community. Timestamp comment posts will often be very highly rated and elicit lots of engagement in the form of comment replies and likes, especially if the timestamp comment post is made very early on in the video's lifespan. Heck, that's why I created this channel, Fast Timestamps, because I enjoy making timestamps so much for my favorite channels. Where are the timestamps? Timestamps made by video creators before publishing can be placed directly in the video's description or embedded as channel markers. Both video creators and viewers can add comments under a video that contains timestamps. Sometimes a YouTube creator will then pin the comment that has the timestamp to the top of the comment section, making it easier for everyone to access. Any drawbacks to timestamps? Making timestamps does take extra time and effort. The timestamp creator needs to re-watch an entire video to note the exact timing of topic changes. This can be tedious for creators who produce daily content, very long videos, or live stream their videos. Viewers may cherry-pick content instead of watching the carefully planned flow or narrative. They can be used to skip sponsorships, ad placements, intros, and more. But avoiding timestamps for these reasons can be seen as anti-viewer, which isn't a great mindset to have for a growing YouTube channel. And of course, no one wants to use timestamps that are done poorly. Inaccurate timings, too many timestamps, and descriptions that are too short or too long can result in user frustration. Thankfully, most timestamps I've seen are genuinely helpful. So what are your thoughts on timestamps? Clearly, I'm biased in favor of them because I enjoy making them so much. But what about you? Are timestamps not worth the effort? Or are they critical for your viewing experience? And remember, if you found this video helpful, please